And it's all over now from here, Howie.
Two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of each. Yeah, I think we're gonna probably stop this after this game for a continuation. Perfect.
I'm going to take this off real quick.
Foul.
Say
Foul.
See how he said it on the stream.
Protest.
He was like, foul.
Okay. Sure.
Nice shot, Ruben.
Good shot, buddy.
Shot of the night.
Good out, buddy. Good at break and run. Hey, Ruben, let's hold it off here at 4 apiece, and we'll continue.
Yeah, it's a good
All
time
right.
to hold on.
All right, cool.
When
man.
I'm hot.
Right.
All right, the only break and run. We're going to call it a night because I don't want to take advantage of a tired Howie. Howie,
No, that's all right. You can take advantage.